guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to share a pet on Widgetable. So the first thing that we need to do is head over to Widgetable, of course. Alright, here we are now on our Widgetable, and as you can see we have our pet Harley. Am I calling it Haley? Harley in our pets corner over here, and we actually have two unhatched eggs. So let me unhatch these ones first, because I'm quite surprised that I have unhatched eggs. Alright, so right now all we need to do in order to share is just click on the share link below Harley down here. What it does is it shares your pet with your friend, basically co-parenting. So click on the share button and then you'll be able to choose out of the different options where you want to change it, chat, Instagram, or whatever. Let's say I'm gonna send it to my friend over here, and then she'll be able to receive the code, which you can just click on, and she'll be able to co-parent my pet with me on Widgetable. That is how you share your pet on Widgetable. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye.